Israel is stronger than ever, and Israel must always be significantly stronger than our enemies. Therefore, I advocate for two principles: strengthening and independence. Regarding strengthening, we are acquiring 2 squadrons of advanced aircraft, the F-35 and the F-15IA. These aircraft bolster Israel's overwhelming air superiority, a superiority that was proven in Operation Rising Lion and now in Operation Roaring Lion. Our pilots can reach any point in the skies of Iran, and they are prepared to do so if required. We have incredible aircraft and we have incredible pilots. Regarding independence, I have directed investment into the domestic production capacity of munitions. Over the coming decade, we will add 350 billion NIS to the defense budget to manufacture these munitions here in Israel, ensuring we are not dependent on foreign sources. Simultaneously, we will develop groundbreaking Israeli-made aircraft. This will change the entire picture. As for the drones, a few weeks ago, I ordered the establishment of a special project to thwart the drone threat, and a progress report on the matter will be presented to me today. It will take time, but we are on it. We will continue to ensure Israel's superiority in all arenas.